New life, new attitude, and I ain't looking back. I need to do something. I need to change my life. I came in and started getting products and I started seeing results. Do I get a bang for this? My name is Eva, and I'm a CNA as my profession. I go to Gold's Gym, I try and work out 6 to 7 days a week. It actually changed my life completely. I was a truck driver profession before, and I was drinking 4 or 5 Redbulls a day, gaining all kinds of weight, and smoking almost 2 packs of cigarettes a day, sitting in a truck, just driving. And so I decided to change my life because I know it was going towards a downward spiral. So I bought a house. Shortly after that, lost my job. And so I decided to, since I bought a house, my New Year's resolution was new house, new life, new attitude, and I ain't looking back. And I haven't looked back since. When I first started, I was pushing a size 18 pants. And now I'm down to a 14, and that was 5 years ago. When first Stewart Nutrition was prior to Complete Nutrition, when they first opened up, I came in and started seeing products, and I thought, I need to do something. I need to change my life. I came in and started getting products, and I started seeing results. And I liked what I see. And I just wanted to push the issue a little bit more. And now I'm not even looking back, and the gym is my home, my second home. He's guided me through what products I needed to do. We've kind of tweaked my workouts a little bit and my nutrition. And he's my go-to guy. I mean, he's helped me tremendously, and as well as helping me, but we became good friends, and I've been one of his best customers. If I have problems with my workouts and I don't see the results that I want to see, then I ask him, what can I do different? And he helps me with that. I would probably guess about 25 pounds. I was probably, I want to say around 50 years old. With me being in the healthcare field, I needed to be able to take care of myself so I can take care of others. Just don't give up. I would just say, come work out with me. I can give you the motivation. I mean, I'm a good motivator. When I do my classes, it's like the energy is so high, it's through the roof. And my instructors love it when I'm there. I do body pump, body combat, Zumba, spin, any class that Gold's has, I'm there. I'm a go-getter. In fact, eventually I would like to become a personal trainer. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm usually there unless I'm working. I mean, I kind of want to get out of the working evenings, but I'm usually there in the evenings, like Wednesday nights and some other nights. I can list the times that I'm going to be there, so if people want to contact me, they can contact me there. And my passion is to see them achieve their goals. Right now, I actually work with disabled adults, and that can be very stressful, and it also can be very rewarding. I mean, you can go in there and you could be having the worst day, and they would say something to make you laugh, and that melts my heart. I remember one night, my first night training there, and I had a client throw a tray across the room, and it just went right past my eyes, and I'm like, okay, doc. Come in to see Stewart Nutrition. He'll help you out with what you need. Hope to meet everybody.